Hello there, lovely students. Today is a big day. It's Domino Chinese's 10th anniversary. It's actually my own 30th anniversary as well. And it's actually Allhelgonadagen, a very important festivity and holiday to celebrate here in Sweden. Along with that, we actually have the most important one. The reason why I'm eating this, the official International Day of the Hamburger today as well. Please enjoy. Now, to celebrate all of these things coming together, we want to give you 50% off of everything that we have to offer. Okay, so you can learn Chinese on your own or with a teacher. You can go from absolute beginner to absolute fluency on our one-way stop to learning Chinese Mandarin fluently. Fantastic. Enough said, enough fluency has been spoken about me. I think I mentioned that word 3 times. That should be good enough for the algorithm. Now, I'll keep on enjoying this one. What you need to do is maybe buy yourself a hamburger. While you're doing that, go to our checkout, enter Domino 10 year, and you'll get 50% off of everything that we have to offer. Please enjoy, and I'll see you in class. Alright, really good this one, so good.